column means whole cube. Into closing this row, this column will get 2, 1 are 2 minus 0. So this becomes 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Like cofactor of 2 equal to minus 1 whole power first row, third column, 1 power 4. Into closing row, this row, that column, this row, this column. Left out is this. Get of this is 2 to the 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. 1 into plus 1, 1 only. Next. Cofactor of this 2 equal to minus 1 whole power. This is in second row, first column. So 2 plus 1, 3 into closing this row, this column. Left out is closing this row, this column. Left out is 0 into 1, 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4. So this is minus 1 into minus 4 becomes plus 4. Like cofactor of 1 equal to minus 1 whole power. This is second row, second column, 4. 2 plus 2 whole power 4 into closing that row, that column. Closing this row and this column. Left out is this row, this column. Left out is 1, 2, 3, 1. Means 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6. Minus 5 into plus 1 becomes minus 5. Like cofactor of 0. Cofactor of 0 equal to again minus 1 whole power 5. Again this is second row, third column. 3 plus 2, 5 into closing this row, this column. Left out is 2 minus 0. So it becomes minus 1 into 2. 2 minus 0 is 2 into minus 1. Minus 2. Next is third row. So I'll write here. Cofactor of 3 equal to this 3. Cofactor of 3 equal to what do I get? So cofactor of 3 equal to minus 1 whole power third row, first column, whole power 4 into closing this row, this column. Left out is 0 minus 2. So becomes minus 2 only. Next, cofactor of 2 equal to minus 1 whole power 5. Third row, second column, 3 plus 2, 5 into closing this row, that column. Closing this row and this column. Left out is 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. Plus 4. Next, cofactor of last element 1 equal to minus 1 whole power 6 into closing this row, this column. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Now I got all the cofactors. Now adjoint A. Now we need to find adjoint A. Adjoint A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. Means write down this cofactor matrix. I took this in a row wise. So arrange them in row wise first. 1 minus 2 1. Then 4 minus 5 minus 2. Then minus 2 4 1. Minus 2 4 1. 0 minus 2 minus 2. So next, now transpose of this gives you adjoint A actually. Transposing means writing rows into columns, columns into rows. Now adjoint A becomes 1 minus 2 1, 4 minus 5 minus 2, minus 2 4 1, minus 2 4 1. This is adjoint A. This is adjoint A. Adjoint A. Next we need to find A inverse. A inverse means first we need det A. First of all, for finding A inverse we need to find det A. That A means any row or column multiplied by their corresponding cofactors and added together. So if I take first row, 1 into that A equal to, that is A, that A equal to 1 into its cofactor. Cofactor of 1 is 1 plus 0 into its cofactor minus 2 plus 2 into its cofactor 1. So 1 plus 0 or minus 0 whatever may be plus 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 is your final result. So that A is equal to 3. Now A inverse equal to 1 by that A into adjoint A. 1 by that A into adjoint A equal to 1 by 3 into adjoint A we got is 1, 4, minus 2, minus 2, minus 5, 4, 1, minus 2, 1. So this is A inverse. So for adjoint A and that A. After finding cofactors, if you form the cofactor matrix, then transpose it, you will get adjoint A. After getting adjoint A, we can go for that A. Any row or column multiplied by their corresponding cofactors added together gives you that A. Now A inverse equal to 1 by that A into adjoint A. So that is 1 by 3 into that adjoint A gives you A inverse. A inverse. Next one. Second one. First row one. Second one. A equal to A plus ID, C plus ID, C minus C plus ID, A minus ID, and A square plus B square plus C square plus D square equal to 1. Then find A inverse. So before finding A inverse, we need to find that A first. If that A not equal to 0, then A is invertible, and then we can go for A inverse equal to adjoint A by that A. So that A first, we need to find that A. So how to find that A? I told you, AD minus BC. If it is 2 by 2 matrix, that A is simply this into this minus this into this. So this into this, that is A plus IB into A minus IB minus this into this, that is minus C minus ID, or I can write ID minus C into ID plus C. So this is equal to A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, A square minus B square. Again this also A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, I square D square minus C square. Now this is A square. I square is minus 1 I told. I square is always minus 1 iota. So minus of minus plus B square. This is minus of minus plus B square. Again I square is minus 1. Minus into minus plus B square. Minus into minus plus C square. So I got A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Its value is giving it as 1. Means I got that A equal to 1. I got that A equal to 1. That A is 1. Now I need A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by that A into adjoint A. 1 by that A into adjoint A. For this I told you shortcut. That A we already found. This is 1 by 1 into adjoint A means for 2 by 2 matrix for adjoint A, interchange these two I told. Means here I can write A minus IB and here I can write A plus IB. You can interchange principal diagonal. Next, these two elements to be changed by sign I told. So this is C plus ID. So minus C minus ID. This is minus C plus ID minus ID over. This is adjoint A. Now 1 by 1 is 1 only. So this into this gives you A inverse. So 1 into this is that only. So A inverse is finally this. A minus ID minus C minus ID, C minus ID, A plus ID is nothing but your A inverse. A inverse. Now next one. Fourth sum. A is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. 2, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 1. Then show that adjoint A equal to 3 into A transpose. Adjoint A equal to 3 into A transpose. 3 into A transpose. So we'll go for adjoint A. How to find the adjoint A I told you. You need to find all the cofactors, then arrange them, then transpose it. Transpose of cofactor matrix gives you adjoint A I told you. So for this, one shortcut by same procedure, but we'll do at a time. Means just keep plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So keep alternative plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Keep alternative signs only for 3 by 3 this shortcut. So keep this for any other, you need to go for actual concept. 2 by 2 also I told you one shortcut. Just interchange the principal diagonal, then keep the other two negative signs. Here like that 3 by 3 one more shortcut. So remaining 4 by 4 remaining elements we should go for actual concept is transpose of cofactor matrix is adjoint A. That is the basic concept actually. You have only 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 in intermediate. That's why I am giving you two shortcuts. 2 by 2 one shortcut, 3 by 3 one shortcut. This is keep plus minus plus minus plus minus everywhere. Then to find this element, close this row, this column, then write down 1 this into this minus this into this. 1 minus 4 into minus 2 like that. And like this, if I want this element, close this row, this column, gives you 2 plus 4, 6. Like that. Closing this row, this column, minus 2, minus, 2 minus 4, minus 2, minus 6. Like this you can find every element, then write down. So closing this row, this column, gives you this element. So this is minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. And to get this element, close this row, this column. Minus 1, minus 1, minus into minus plus 4. So plus 3. Next, to get this element, close this row, this column. This row, this column. So minus 2 minus plus 2, minus 2 minus plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Again to get this element, close this row, this column. Same, 4 plus 2, 6. To get this element, close this row, this column. Plus 2, plus 4, plus 6 again. Close this row, this column. Minus 1, plus 4 is plus 3. So transpose of this directly gives you adjoint A. So that is minus 3, minus 6, minus 6, and this is 6, 3, minus 6, 6, 3, minus 6, next 6, minus 6, 3. This is adjoint A. This is adjoint A. Now I need A transpose and 3 times of it. First I will find A transpose. Means changing the rows into 3 into A transpose. So 3 times of changing rows into columns into columns. This becomes minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. And that is 2, 1, minus 2. And this is 2, minus 2, 1. Then multiplying with 3 gives you minus 6. Minus 3, 6, 6. This is minus 6, 3, minus 6. And this is minus 6, minus 6, 3. Observe both are equal. Therefore, LH is equal to RHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. I got both are equal. LH is equal to RHS. Next, he is asking find A inverse also. Find A inverse also for the same sum. A inverse means we just need det A extra, that's it. 1 by det A into this adjoint A gives me A inverse. So we need to find det A first. So det A equal to, so I have already adjoint A. Now I need to find det A first. So how to find the det A? So det A equal to, you know the shortcut to find det A. So take any row or column. So I will take the first row. Minus 1 into its cofactor. We already got minus 3. Like minus of minus plus 2 into 6. 2 into 6. Next. Minus 2 into minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 6. So this is equal to 3 plus 8 12 plus 12. 24 plus 3, 27. So A inverse equal to 1 by del A into adjoint A. 1 by del A into adjoint A equal to 1 by 27 into its adjoint A. Minus 3, 6, 6, minus 6, 3, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6 gives you A inverse. This is how we will find A inverse and adjoint A. A inverse and adjoint A. Now is given to sum A equal to A0 0 0 B0 0 0 C means it is a diagonal matrix. And ABC not equal to 0, then find A inverse is asked. This is ABC diagonal matrix. 3 different elements we are taking ABC. What are the same elements maybe? But ABC, it is a 3 by 3 diagonal matrix. By finding this inverse, you can find inverse of any diagonal matrix using this result. So this is acts like your formula. Simply A inverse of a diagonal matrix formula we are going to find. Before that, we will need to find det A first. If det A equal to 0, then we can't find inverse. So what is det A? So A into its cofactor, closing this row, this column, BC minus 0. Minus 0 and anything 0 plus 0 and anything 0 gives you ABC. From this result, I can say that det A equal to always, if it is a diagonal matrix, if you need to find the det A, simply multiply the elements of the diagonal. ABC. So what is the det A here? ABC. To find also got that only. That's what I am saying. So always diagonal, for a diagonal matrix, shortcut det A is directly multiply the diagonal elements. No need to do all of this. Simply multiply the diagonal elements. A, B, C gives the diagonal matrix det power. Next, find A inverse. Now, to find A inverse, det A we find. It should not be 0. So that's why he himself saying ABC not equal to 0. So not equal to 0 means it is a non-singular matrix. For a non-singular matrix only we can find det A. A inverse. So it is a non-singular. Det A not equal to 0 means non-singular. Means we can find A inverse. So we will go for adjoint A now. How to find adjoint A you already know. Adjoint A equal to, I told you shortcut, keep plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Then transpose. Now to find this element, close this one, this column I told, find this. BC minus 0 gives you BC. And here, closing this row, this column gives you 0 minus 0, 0. For this element, closing this row, this column, 0. Same, this element, 0. But coming to this, closing this row, this column, AC minus 0. AC minus 0 is AC. Next, again 0. Again if you observe, this is 0. This is 0. Again coming to last element, AB minus 0. AB minus 0. AB. Now I need transpose of this. So transpose of this is changing rows into columns, columns into rows. Gives you the same always. Means BC 0, 0. So BC 0, 0. Next 0, AC 0. Next 0, 0, AB. So this is transpose. So this is adjoint A now. Now I need A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by det A into adjoint A into adjoint A. That is 1 by det A, 1 by ABC. 1 by ABC into adjoint A is BC 0, 0. 0 AC 0. 0, 0 AB. 0, 0 AB. Now, if you bring 1 by ABC inside, now BC cancel, left out is 1 by A. 1 by A, 0, 0. 0. AC cancel, 1 by B. 0. 0, 0. AB cancel, 1 by C. So, whenever if you want to find the inverse of a 3 by 3 diagonal matrix, if you want to find the 3 by 3 diagonal matrix, you can use this result. Simply all zeros in diagonal elements becomes 1 by 1 by 1 by. Means multiplicative inverses of the elements. So multiplicative inverse of the corresponding elements gives you inverse of a diagonal matrix. So inverse of diagonal matrix gives you multiplicative inverse of diagonal matrix formed by their multiplicative inverses. Gives you inverse of the diagonal matrix always. So because this is not the elements I took 1, 2, 3. I took ABC. He gave ABC. So we found using ABC only. So in place of ABC we keep any element, any number. So same result you will automatically get. So you can use this as the formula for A inverse of the diagonal matrix. A inverse of the diagonal matrix. And det of diagonal matrix is simply multiply the diagonal elements. That also you can get from this example. So two shortcut formulae you got for a diagonal matrix. Finding A inverse and det A from this answer. Next one. If 3A equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, minus 2, 2 minus 1, then show that A inverse equal to A transpose. Show that A inverse equal to A transpose. A inverse equal to A transpose. We can do this sum in two ways. One is finding A equal to, these three comes inside 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into whole matrix. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3. Then simply find A inverse, then A transpose. LH equal to RHS over. That is one way of doing, but somewhat lengthy method to find A inverse adjoint. A inverse you need to find adjoint A, det A, all that thing. Instead of doing that stuff, I will go for the general concept. If AB equal to BA equal to I can say that B is A inverse, A is B inverse. I will use that concept for this one. See, what is that is? He is giving 3A. So what is 3A transpose first? What is 3A transpose? Means transpose of this matrix I need to take. So what is the transpose of this matrix? So I will get 1, 2, 2. Just rows becomes columns. 2, 1, minus 2. Minus 2, 2, minus 1. This is 3A transpose. 3A transpose. But I know that KA transpose is K into A transpose. KA transpose is, we did the properties of transpose. K into A transpose is KA whole transpose is K into A transpose I told. K into A transpose I told. So this I can write 3 into A transpose. This I can write 3 into A transpose. K into A whole transpose is K into A transpose I told. K into whole transpose I told. While teaching K transpose I told K into A transpose, K whole transpose. So I will use that property. Now I will multiply these two. I will multiply these two what happens? 3A into 3A transpose. What happens? I don't know which transpose. So 3A. What is 3A? This is 3A. 1, 2, 2. 2, 1, minus 2. Minus 2, 2, minus 1. Into 3A transpose means this. 1, 2, minus 2. 2, 1, 2. 2, minus 2, minus 1. Now find the product of the two. You know how to multiply the two matrices. First row with first column. Multiply the corresponding elements added together. 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4 plus 4. 8 plus 1, 9. So I can write 1 plus 4 plus 4, then you can understand easily. This is 9. Next, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 minus 4. Next, minus 2 plus 2, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 2 into 2 plus 4. Next, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Same for this element. Second row with first column. 2 1 are 2 plus 2 1 are 2 minus 4. Next, second row with second column. 4 plus 1 plus 4. Again, second row with third column. Minus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Next, minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. Next, minus 4 minus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Next, third row with third column. Minus 4 minus 2 minus plus 4 plus 4 minus 2 minus plus 1. So what we got is, finally what we got is 1 plus 4 plus 4 9, 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. So we got 3a into 3a transpose equal to 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. Means what we got is 3a into 3a transpose equal to 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. Means if I take 9 common, it becomes 9i. It becomes 9i. It becomes 9i. So what I got finally is 3a into 3a transpose equal to 3a into 3a transpose equal to 9 times the I. If I take 9 common, it becomes 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. It is nothing but 9i. It is nothing but 9i. So if I cancel 9 9 on both sides, 3 3s and 9. So left out is a into a transpose equal to I we got. A into a transpose equal to I. Means AB equal to BA equal to I implies B is A inverse I told. So A transpose equal to A inverse. A transpose equal to A inverse. Hence true. Hence true. This is one way of doing. Another way is simply bring this 3 to this side, find A inverse separately, A transpose separately, then equate them. Then equate them. That is one way. That is one way. That is a little lengthy way. This is a little shortcut way. That's it. This depends on how you think. That's it. Two ways of doing the same thing. Same one more sum. If A equal to 3 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4, 0 minus 1 1, then show that A inverse equal to A cube. For this also there are two ways of doing. One is find A inverse separately, then A cube separately, then LH equal to RHS. Then LH is equal to RHS. This is one way of doing, always will be there. Again, how you think separately like previous sum, AB equal to BA equal to I, then B is A inverse. Like that, second way. So I will use again the same second method only for here. For that, I will find A power 4, what happens? So means first I will find A square. I know how to find A square easily. 3 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4, 0 minus 1 1 into, again same, 3 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4, 0 minus 1 1. So I need to multiply this matrix with that matrix, gives me A square. A into A gives me A square. First row with first column. So how much? 3 3s are 9 minus 6 plus 0. 9 minus 6 plus 0 is nothing but 3 here. So next, this is again first row with second column. So minus 9 minus 2 plus 9 minus 4. Minus 9 plus 9 minus 4. Next, first row with third column. 12 minus 12 plus 4. 12 minus 12 plus 4. Next, same, third row, second row with first column. 3 2 is 6 minus 6 plus 0. 6 minus 6 plus 0. Next, here, 2 into minus 3. Minus 6 plus 9 minus 4. Minus 6 plus 9 minus 4. Calculation part to take care. Next, 8 minus 12 plus 4. Next, coming to here, 0 minus 2 plus 0. Next, 0 minus into minus plus 3 minus 1. Next, this row with this column. 0 minus 4 plus 1. So finally this is equal to, we will get 9 minus 6 3 3. This is 9 9 cancel minus 4, and this is 1 12 cancel plus 4, and this is 0. This again minus 10 plus 9 minus 1. Again coming to this 12 12 cancel 0, and coming to this minus 2, and this is 2, and this is minus 2. This is minus 2. Like this we got a square. Then we need to find a power 4. So I got a square. Then a square into a square gives me. Now a square into a square gives me a power 4. So what is a square I got? 3 minus 4, 4, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 2, minus 2. This is a square. So a square into a square, if I do, I will get a power 4. If I do a square into a square, gives me a power 4. Gives me a power 4. So a square into a square, I am going to do now. A square into a square, I am going to do now. Gives me a power 4. 3 minus 4, 4. 0 minus 1, 0. 2, 2 minus 3. Calculation part you always take here. So this is equal to this row with this column now. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Minus 0 plus 8. Plus 8. Now first row with second column. Minus 12. 3 4s are 12. Minus 4. Minus 2 minus plus 4. 4 2s are 8. Next. 3 4s are 12. Plus 0. Minus 1. Minus 1. Next. Second row with first column. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next. Second row with second column. 0 0 minus 2 minus plus 1 plus 0. Plus 1 plus 0. Next. Second row with third column. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next. Third row with first column. Minus 6 plus 0. This is minus 6 plus 0 plus 2. This is actually bracket. I am considering minus. This is 2 into 3 plus 6 plus 0 minus 6. Now coming to this minus 8 minus 2 minus 8 minus 3 2 into minus 4 minus 8 but this is minus 2. Did I copy it wrong? This is minus 2, this is also minus 2. Yeah. Then this is minus 6 plus 0 plus 6. Now 4 2 is 8 plus 8 minus 2 minus 6. Right. I copied, this is actually minus 2 previously, a square. So this is minus 2. So minus 2, then this is also minus 2. So minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Next, plus 0 plus 9. So what we got finally? This is 9 minus 9. This is minus 2 into 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Yeah. Now this is any more mistake? No. So this is 9 minus 8 is 1. So final result is what I want to say is a power 4 equal to we got a power 4 equal to we got 9 minus 8 1. This is 0 0 0 1 0 0. Again this is 0 9 minus 8 1. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 means it is I. It is I. So a square into a square equal to I got. A square into a square is a power 4 equal to I got. So So a power 4 can I write as a cube into a or a into a cube? A into a cube. A power 4 I can write. A into a cube equal to I. A into b equal to I means b equal to a inverse. B equal to a inverse means a cube equal to a. A cube equal to a inverse. This is one way. Another way is you can do separately LHS and RHS, both are equal you will get. That is one more way, always will be there.